Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Lollipop DIY. We were cleaning all the front of our mobile home to put up patio furniture and decorate for Christmas. We took out all the decorations from last year to get what we will be using this year. We also have some new lights and inflatables. I made some DIYs using clothes hangers and solar lights to use outside. I have a video of them. They turns awesome. I hope you enjoy and like my Christmas outside decoration for this year 2023. Merry Christmas! My husband helped me putting the pieces together of the reindeer and the sled. Here I am making the shape of a tree that I got at Temu for $7. And this is a star that I did for this Christmas tree using cloth and hangers and solar lights. And this is how it looks at night. I just love it. This is how I decorate the front entrance of my house. I made this simple centerpiece. That is a small fiber optic tree from Walmart I purchased 2 years ago.
Merry Christmas!
This is a wreath that I DIY last year. I made this snowman using 2-wire wreath from Dollar Tree. I upgrade this wreath and decorate the handrails with a garland and decoration from Big Lots and Dollar Tree. I put blue solar lights on the floor around the porch. I already have solar lights on the ceiling. I put a Christmas projector lights also. And inside the lanai I have curtain lights that I buy at Amazon last year. Now you can see a closer look to the front of the house. All the inflatables are from Walmart. The white lights on the bench are solar lights. The white Christmas tree is also from Walmart. The reindeer with the sleds are from Big Lots that I bought on sale last year. like my Christmas outside lights decoration? If you do so, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one and have a very Merry Christmas day. Kisses and hugs. Bye.